Hi guys, my name is your former Miss Manipur 2017. Jamie Pedia channel asi yamna authentic oiba recipe kaya ma share tawriba channel. Mayamna yengbada singsay-saydana nungayba amasung helpful oiba channel mo oigani hana khanjay. So please like and subscribe Jamie Pedia.
Hello everyone, this is Paul Hokip. Please go like and subscribe Jamie Pedia recipe in YouTube, one of the best and I would say the most helpful cooking channel. Make sure you go like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, I'm Marlene Monchun Kuptong, your Miss Good 2019. Tilnegi chini deng na sepaya himale achanga mi tampi in panlagna motivation itak sapo anhuan yam anhuan didanahi wayan tunjangin anpi na Jamie Pedia recipe vlog patin enle ates alimna recipe le khovel pumpia et ton thei tampi omahi happy takini manghot ke dia ai taki sai thei be ulle Jamie Pedia recipe and share, like and subscribe.
Jamie Pedia recipe channel hi emite sunga dinga ama sapen a hito hanin support jing o hitin like share chale subscribe bo pj uti hi channel apana hi thin lame phai chame chale thilja chum ki hondan ibe theiding wa hi hi channel hi ama chaw jing na dingin support jing uti.
Hi everyone, I'm Ring Joy, Miss Manipur 2019 first runner-up. We all know that food is the ingredient and the ground that bring us together. So here in this show, Educator will be coming up with varieties of food items. So guys, join me in supporting him by subscribing and liking to his YouTube channel. Have a YouTube channel of a tungtanye nene food varieties dia today chak ran aulaye nani awansa into katrini have a YouTube channel of a tungtanye subscribe umulai melhopi unu gdingi aktham chai ina panpa chai ina.
Hello mi pui hai pauling comment kazan salam chai Jamie Pedia receive YouTube channel hi amalung setman anale khano chun hunga khangtong ni hingza a heron pixik me ti on kuma like subscribe ni like topic it sika pauling comment ni kai ni chai pa.
Hi everyone, I'm Kim Paite. Jamie Pedia receive Amy te lakadia afars ke rahia sintang mi te wandan phaizang mi te wandan le adang tom te ama channel apan en the gigele itrai the ding ahi, so let's support him. Please subscribe Jamie Pedia channel. Thank you. Apple bangam ya hoy. Bye.
Jamie Pedia YouTube channel low subscribe pa low view pek seng ding le athai jon low share pek sup dingen ein fila chun hi channel hin video thatak tak le ngai nom tak en nom tak hai la hung upload pe ding ni kalome.
Hey guys, this is Dorothy Hingna. So if you're looking for some nutritious, finger-licking and scrumptious food online, then Jamie Pedia is a food channel you should subscribe. I mean, who doesn't love a good food to snack on, right? So please go to Jamie Pedia on YouTube and hit the like and subscribe button so that you do not miss a thing.
Hi, I'm Tracy, Ngaiting Gospel Singer. Igam sunga inane khak lo le inamu khak ngai lo. YouTube channel a theyangum ta Jamie Pedia recipe kiti ne khei chum le thing tang me le phai ga me chum sem dan chu tu hin YouTube channel a theyangum ta ki pa piu mi sama ma jinga chule agama dinga mason na khat a hi zekin kon le like le subscribe le share an bol sau dingin ka hun nge na.
Hi everyone, kima min chui le luni chong loi hin ki pal he zingin tunya ka sai nom pen chui le ai ho ai mi society sunga hin beham social media entertainment hian lang ap hile i khang tol he jing win tunya ka sai nom pen chui lem ka loi khat ka promote nomin ama beham ai mi society sunga hi nia thei sep langa hin ama hi ama spen hi le kilom ka sain hije chun ama channel min hi Jamie Pedia hin ama hin nia thei jat jat recipe jat jat asimin hije chun ai ho khat le khat ki support to jing hitin hije chun ama channel hi subscribe bol pe hitin hi thei chanin share bol pe hitin subscribe bol pe hitin ki support to jing ute ama channel min chu hi le Jamie Pedia hi ki pai.
Hi guys, it's Visi Kipgan, and if you guys are a foodie like me, please go and check out Jamie Pedia on YouTube, and please show some love and subscribe to his channel and share with your friends so that they might be able to enjoy and learn the new cooking styles and different types of cuisines from all around the world. So please check it out and share and support in every way. Thank you.
Hello everyone, nabon trawin ka ngay lut na salam ka hindi Jamie recipe hi YouTube channel min khada hin hichi ne thei simdan an me hondan chule ne le cha simdan vetnum ta ta ho vet thei channel hi chule hichi channel la ko na hi gamdang namdang te ne le cha simdan jong jilbe the hi chule ne sim in sung cha hi numai kina gel hodin jong challenge phata hi aji chu Jamie Pedia hi golhang khangdong cha jong a hi na lai support nutin to sot jingute. Please share and subscribe Jamie Pedia channel. Bye bye.
Hello guys, this is Kim Tae Haukip. I would like you to subscribe Jamie's YouTube channel, that is Jamie Pedia. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you and enjoy.
Hi everyone. Kay mga kami na hile, Marina, tinkan team ho. Kipa hiim, kipaom le sing ni ho, imite zong media lang ini kang tol he tabin adi-adingin YouTube channel lang hi. Vet no mum thay ta hi, ahong kiboldo ta in music lang hen ng fashion lang hen ng traveling lang zong le vet no mum thay za hong kiboldo ta hi zong le kipa na pi pen khat zong cho hi le tu hin channel tha be khat. Jamie Pedia recipe amahi abol thei chu piham itile a channel hi ipilang kai lang ham itile ho thing hang me sim dan me hom dan chukit le phai tu me hun dan me sim dan za za koi gam ma ka he poi koi mi a ka he poi me hun dan thil sim dan za za te ho hi a hin sim do in ki pam le zingin amahi sei khil loading ni ho Amy sunga dinga hitabang channel hin boldo adi hi amahi amasa pen hi in ki pam le zingin amahi ikithupi thei ding dan dong zong omdi point ama channel hi ilike over is subscribe zung hi ihon ikithupi thei na pi pen hi zi chun kenong ka like zingin ka subscribe in hi zi chun hon zong lung se tan hin like minang hin subscribing ti chu kaya kuna ka hung taw na a hi e ki pa e.
Hi, this is Jenny Thongte, the winner of Northeast Idol India 2017. I know this may sound cliche, but everyone loves to eat, and food is life. But there are just some days when you can't even figure out what to cook. That is when you need Jamie Vlog. It is an YouTube account where you can find the perfect recipe for your favorite food. So guys, go and check it out, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thank you.
Hello people, welcome to Tempting Delight. You want to be updated about food? The simplest way to turn that holidays into a lip-smacking snack. Awesomely amazing. Everyone has already fallen in love with it, and soon you'll fall in love with it too. Let us welcome the idea of a plate of hygienic and wholesome days at a click of a button. Here's a good opportunity. It's worth subscribing, sharing, deserving to get likes. Jamie Pedia ka koi match nahi.